1971, Bangladesh's liberation. The dawn of a new era. 1 year later, two brothers, Muhammad Abu Tayyab and Muhammad Abul Kalam, began what would eventually become one of Bangladesh's largest conglomerates, the TK Group. At the heart of the group lies its mission to create a value to make a difference with a solid vision for the future, to become the leader in all businesses by nurturing the 5 P's: people, portfolio, partners, profit, and productivity, backed by a solid set of core values. The TK Group's journey began with their first venture in 1974. To provide grain food items at affordable prices, the group began to import quality grain, refining it into flour, semolina, and other items for the people, revolutionizing the commodities trading industry in Bangladesh. The TK Group has also invested heavily in the consumer goods division, with 3 flour mills churning out different consumer products including atta, moida, and shuji under the brand name Pushti. In fact, Pushti, which stands for Products of Utmost Standard, Trust and Innovation, is one of the leading consumer brands in Bangladesh. And when demand for edible oils increased in Bangladesh with no local sources available, TK Group knew this was the time to act. The group established multiple factories using state-of-the-art German technology to produce edible oils under Pushti and family. Today, Pushti edible oils are beloved in households with the largest national market share, and Shabnam Vegetable Oil Industries has become renowned for their wide range of consumer products. Due to the company's strict quality controls, it has been selected as a 100% successful supplier by Nestle. In fact, TK Group's edible oil division employs a sales force of over 1,000, working nationwide to meet 1/4 of the national demand, and provide support to multiple government organizations like TCB, the Army, National Disaster Management Authority, and more. Finally, as the largest edible oil refinery in the country, they contribute significantly to the national GDP. Tea, the national beverage of Bangladesh, loved by all. TK Group entered the tea business with the mission to give the people their source of refreshment. Today, 3 tea estates of over 7,000 acres and 1,000 plus employees provide Pushti tea of the finest blends to people all over the country. The snacks and confectioneries category is a booming market in Bangladesh, with demand increasing day by day, and that is where TK Foods distribution shines. Operating from 2 state-of-the-art factories, the division is hard at work producing delicious snacks and confectionery items. TK Foods distribution not only has a firm grip in the domestic market, but proudly bears Bangladesh's flag to the world, exporting food products overseas to many different companies and countries. As the nation's economy grows, the need for construction rises, both for homes and for industries. And the TK Group has already placed its footprint on the construction industry, starting with Premier Cement Mills, which has become the leading national cement maker for the nation, with their products used in many iconic megastructures including the Rupur Nuclear Tunnel, Podda Bridge, Kornofuli Tunnel, and more. Today, Premier Cement Mills is recognized as Bangladesh's #1 cement exporter and looks towards a bright future for itself and the nation. From cement, the group then ventured into steel with Kornofuli Steel Mills Limited. With 23 years of experience and expertise and a yearly production capacity of 168,000 MT, the company actively contributes to the nation's development as one of the largest national manufacturers of innovative steel products, including colored wave iron sheets using the latest Galvalume technology under the Eagle brand. Kornofuli Steel Mills also works closely with the Bangladesh government on their Ashrayan Prokalpo project and has created massive employment opportunities for countless people in the process, which led to the crowning jewel of the group's endeavors in construction, Superboard, the first Bangladeshi-run particle board factory. Superboard manufactures stylish, eco-friendly and reliable products like colorful lamination, particle boards, PVC, wooden doors and boards using high-quality raw materials. Universally praised by carpenters and interior designers, Superboard is the #1 national board brand. One of the TK Group's greatest accomplishments, the Samuda Chemical Complex, has revolutionized the nation's chemical industry by adopting world-class technology to become one of the largest producers of high-quality import-substitute basic and performance chemicals in Bangladesh, as well as textiles, detergent, pulp and paper, food and beverages, and much more. The company also exports significant quantities globally, earning a great deal of foreign currency for Bangladesh. A pioneer since 2013, Super Petrochemical Limited is the first of its kind in Bangladesh with 4 primary units: the condensate processing facility, naphtha processing facility, BTX extraction facility and hexane production facility, which produce import substitute petrochemical products from local sources and imported feedstock. A major contributor to the national economy, SPL was awarded the Best Private Petrochemical Company in the energy sector and the National Award as the highest taxpayer in the production category. As people's lifestyles improved, the demands for power generation grew, leading to a huge market for different sources including LPG, and with 20+ LPG makers present, reliable cylinders were urgently needed. The TK Group foresaw this need and pioneered the first LPG cylinder manufacturing plant in Bangladesh, TK Gas and Gas Cylinders, with annual production capacity of more than 1.6 lakhs. The R&G sector is the backbone of Bangladesh's economy. Garments are the nation's largest export, contributing massively to the country's growth. Yarn is one of the major raw materials used by the R&G industry. To support that endeavor, TK Group took the initiative with Modern Poly Industries Limited, Super Synthetics Limited and Chin Hung Fibers Limited. Which produces up to 62 tons of yarn a day, creating thousands of jobs in the process and helping the country's economy even further. And to support their cement industry as well as many others, the group created Bengal Sack Corporation, which creates packaging for cement, fertilizer, feed and grain. It is the category leader in Bangladesh for the last 15 years, as well as a major exporter to foreign countries. To support local publishing, printing and industrial works, the group formed TK Paper. The company uses high-end raw materials to create paper for many different industries. In addition, TK Paper also supplies white paper to government educational boards, thus furthering the cause of knowledge across the nation. Leather is essential to consumer lifestyles and industrial applications, and the need is a global one. TK Group established Riff Leather Factory to make high-quality leather using the finest global ingredients, with a large focus on export to America and the European Union. And where leather is involved, so are shoes, which led to TK Footwear Limited, a 100% export-oriented manufacturer with an annual production capacity of 6 lakh pairs per shift, which designs and makes custom leather footwear for export. Automation is the way of the future. Industries around the globe are embracing it to streamline their processes and improve efficiency. To help their own industries and other clients, the TK Group created GenWeb2, a leading business consultancy and IT service company which provides online banking and capital market solutions. Beyond this, the group plays a key role in the capital market with their renowned brokerage house TK Shares and Securities, which operates in both Dhaka and Chattogram stock exchanges. Corporate social responsibility is core to the group's philosophy. With that in mind, the group has undertaken many social initiatives in the health, education and environment sectors, from contributing to medical clinics to tree plantations to helping those less fortunate with food and medicine. And during any national emergency, disaster or calamity, the group is always one of the first to come to the aid of the people in need. With 43 factories and 400 plus production units, TK Group is leading the way in many industries across Bangladesh. The group directly employs more than 50,000 people with annual turnover of 180 billion taka, continuously contributing to the growth of Bangladesh's GDP and through exports, the country's foreign reserves as well. And their business associates, which include Green Board, Modern Hatchery Limited and Modern Fibers Industries Limited, contribute greatly to their operations. Throughout their relentless journey, the group has received notable recognition. Today, under the leadership of Honorable Chairperson Laila Bilkis, Managing Director Muhammad Abul Kalam and a group of passionate directors, the TK Group is one of the largest contributors to the nation's economy and has taken a leadership role with regards to its growth, development and prosperity. As one of the titans of Bangladeshi industry, the TK Group continues with its mission to create value for the people while making a difference onwards to a brighter future.